Welcome to our tutorial on how to view your region on Instagram. Following these easy steps will help you easily find and update your location information on the popular social media platform. First, open Instagram on your Android device. Then tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, select Edit Profile to access your account settings. Scroll down the page until you see the option for Contact Options and tap on it. Within this section, locate and tap on Business Address to enter your location details. Next, tap on City Town to specify the region you want to display on your profile. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. By following these simple steps, you can easily view and update your region on Instagram, allowing your followers to know where you are located. Keep your profile information up to date for a more personalized and engaging social media presence. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials from our channel.